Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicory root coffee. First, ensure your chicory roots are clean and free of dirt. Then, chop them into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. This helps them roast evenly. Next, spread the pieces on a baking sheet and roast them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they turn a deep, dark brown color. This process develops their rich flavor. Once your chicory root is roasted and cooled, it's time to grind it. Use a coffee grinder to achieve a coarse consistency, similar to regular coffee grounds. You can brew chicory coffee using various methods, such as a standard drip coffee maker or a French press. A good starting point is to use 1 tablespoon of ground chicory for every 8 ounces of hot water. Adjust this ratio to suit your taste preferences. Chicory root coffee has a distinct flavor profile, often described as earthy and slightly bitter, with a hint of caramel. It's a fantastic caffeine-free alternative to traditional coffee, perfect for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake. Beyond its taste, chicory root is known for containing inulin, a type of dietary fiber that can support digestive health. Many enjoy it black or with a splash of milk. You can easily customize your chicory root coffee experience. Try blending it with your favorite regular coffee for a unique, less caffeinated brew. Experiment with adding spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom to enhance the flavor. For a richer taste, a dash of vanilla extract works wonders. Remember, the perfect cup is all about personal preference, so don't hesitate to get creative. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.